Hello everybody, so today I'm just gonna show you where uh you can find the free courses for this. So it's free, right? So it's for a week. So this started from 25th till 30. So it's for a week. So you can learn programming, Linux, DevOps, and cloud, and so on. So let me just show you. So I can just use in advance, right? So let me just enroll it, right? And let's wait for a few seconds and let's enroll this. So this is which you get, right? So it's loading, it's kind of slow, but start the course. So this is how it looks. So you can just register it and start learning. Thank you guys.